Hey, how's it going everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna talk about AAVE. Is it too late to purchase AAVE tokens? Did you miss out? Well, continue watching this video till the end and you're gonna find out why. And in this video, we're gonna take a look at the fundamental and also the technical aspect. So from the start of 2021, we have been going crazy, especially in the DeFi ecosystem. For the last 2 weeks, we can see that top coins like SushiSwap, AAVE has been going crazy and has been pumping a lot. So if you feel left out, I'm gonna tell you right now that you're not late. You're actually just way too early. Most people are saying, hey, alt season is coming. Hey, alt season is here in 2021. But I'm gonna tell you this, DeFi season is coming in 2021 alone. So from January 31 of 2020, we had less than $1 billion of total value locked in DeFi, and in 1 year we crossed over $20 billion in just 1 year. So I just want you to imagine what will happen in 2021. So just a little bit of AAVE news. So in 2020 we went from $0 to $3 billion in less than a year. Right here, the liquidity protocol, $3.4 billion right now, but $3 billion was made in 2020 alone. So I want you to think about just that. Like, it happened so fast. Like, we're just literally in a DeFi bull market right now. And in 2021, L2 scaling will come and more partnerships and collaborations. DeFi's top performers in 2021 so far is Sushi, Maker, LRC, SNX, and AAVE 115%, actually more than that from the recording of this video. AAVE money markets continue to grow, closing this third week of 2021 at $3.3 billion of liquidity with 11% of weekly growth. That's in the first 2 weeks alone of 2021. So I'm telling you, DeFi season is coming in 2021. Now let's take a look at the technical aspects of AAVE. What has been happening in the past couple of days. So as we can see here, in January 6 to at this time of recording, January 18, AAVE went 238%. And before we go through that, I want you to see like the history price actions of AAVE since it's launched. So this is on the daily chart. As we can see from here, in about 2020 of November, AAVE pumped 224%, and after that pump, it went down about 30% correction right here, about 30% correction after that pump, and then it had a little bit of pump. After that, we had about 26%, almost 30%, and then we had this pump. I wouldn't even call it a pump. It's only 40%. We know that's nothing in crypto world, but after that, that's a 37% correction right here. Now, with this 238% right here, now should you be buying AAVE tokens right now when it just fell off its all-time high of almost $210? To be honest, if you're a long-term holder of AAVE and you want to hold it long-term, because I do think AAVE can cross $500 at least in 2021, I would advise you not to buy at the top, because most people FOMO at the top right here. People FOMO here, and you don't want to be that person. You don't want to be that person who chases pumps because their favorite YouTuber says, hey, buy this pump, even though it's near all-time high. I do believe that AAVE have a long-term potential, but you still don't want to be that person buying at its all-time high. Now, if we follow this corrections that it had, about 30% correction right here, the buying point is around $130 or even at $150 right here. That's still a good buying point instead of purchasing at the top right here. I have a portfolio for my long-term holds, and AAVE is one of them, but I still do have a little bit of money just to swing trade AAVE. And you don't want to be the person buying here. You want to be the person buying here after a correction right here. I think it's going to go down to right here, or maybe even here. But after that, you want to be the one buying in these levels right here, in these levels right here. You don't want to be buying at the top. Now, is it truly going to dump 30%? Hey, Maybe it's not, maybe it's gonna go to $300, but if we take a look at here, if we take a look, would you be really risking your money just for a 45% pump? Really? I heard a lot of people saying, hey, AAVE is gonna reach $300, but would you really want to be the person who wants to chase a 45% pump instead of actually having sense and not FOMOing into a coin? Because I do think AAVE has great potential. I'm gonna hold my tokens for at least 2 to 3 years, because I do believe $500 AAVE in 2021 is definitely possible. We just broke $24 billion, and 20 billion of that was from 2020 alone. So if this doubles, there will be more liquidity in AAVE, because AAVE is one of the most popular liquidity protocols in a DeFi ecosystem, other than Compound. I think Compound is their only competitor right now, and most people are using AAVE actually, even though Compound came first than AAVE, because AAVE it's much easier to use, and of course they have better APYs. Now that's just my opinion. Okay, that's just my opinion. Maybe you have a different opinion, but that's just my opinion. And because I'm looking at the data, I'm not just telling you like, hey, buy this coin right here, buy at the top. Now we can leave that to other YouTubers. You know what I mean? Now let's look at the AAVE Bitcoin chart. This is the daily chart. So right here, back in July of 2020, we saw an almost 300% pump, 293, almost a 300% pump. But after that pump, we had a correction. Again, we need to wait for corrections, guys. You don't want to be buying at the top. Okay, you need to stop trading with your emotions, especially with the newest people here in the crypto world, who's just keep on chasing pumps, and they get wrecked. They lose their money. So after this correction right here, we actually went up again of 75%, but after that we went down 40%. So we can see that 40% corrections in AAVE has been normal. It's healthy for long-term holds. It's actually healthy to have corrections. You just cannot keep going up. I see these other YouTubers that saying, oh, it's gonna go up 200%, 300% after it already went 200% up. It just doesn't make sense to me. But right now, I do think we do need at least a 30% correction. Right now we're having a small dip right here. So I want to know your opinion down in the comments down below. But if you're a long-term holder and you just want to buy your AAVE tokens right now, hey, definitely. We're still at around $186. If you're a long-term holder, you can buy right now if you want to. Again, this is not financial advice, but I do see AAVE touching the $500 mark, especially in 2020. And with $500, I'm actually just lowballing you guys, because $500 is nothing. If we reach around $50 billion in total value locked this year, AAVE could surpass $500 easily. And with the upcoming collaborations and partnerships of AAVE, we can easily see this going up in the next couple of months. Even though it's DeFi season, like I said it in the video, every coin needs a correction. Every coin needs a correction. It's healthy for the long-term hold. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you want more technical analysis, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also like the video. If you want me to make more AAVE videos like this or DeFi coins, just comment down below. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.